Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to do the Instagram highlights stalking trap. Sometimes you may want to see how many people are viewing your Instagram highlights or posts, including both followers and non-followers. Instagram provides insights for this, which can help you understand who is engaging with your content. Here's how you can check it step by step. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your account. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap on Insights. This section shows statistics for your account, including views, interactions, and engagement. Here, tap on Views and check the list to see both followers and non-followers who have viewed your content. After that, go back to your profile and tap on any post you want to check. Now, tap on the three dots from the top right corner of the post. Here, tap on View Insights. Now you can see detailed information about who viewed the post, including how many interactions it received. This allows you to track engagement and see which of your followers and non-followers are interacting with your content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.